Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Fashom unboxing for you. If you didn't know, Fashom is it's not necessarily a subscription service, but it is a styling service, and you can just decide whenever you want to do it, and it costs $15 every time you get styled. And then it is a little bit different than Stitch Fix. You get your stylist picks out about 5 to 7 items that they think that you would like, and then you get to pick up to 5 items from that to be sent your way. And so I'll leave a screenshot somewhere around here to show the items that I got to choose from. And to be honest, I wasn't really excited for any of the items except for one, but I could have requested a new style, but I just went with it because you never know, something could surprise me. So let's just go ahead and get started with what is in my box. So they come with the mailer to return everything, and they did go back to like a recyclable one, an eco mailer, which is really awesome. And then you have your little card that says "Hello, beautiful," and this just kind of has your stylist note and the prices of everything. I did already open up my box, so it's not wrapped pretty like it was, because Sophia just had to open up everything. So she wanted to see what was in my box, so I let her go ahead and open it. But let's go ahead and get on into the box. The first piece is the one piece I was really excited about receiving. It is this really pretty like patchwork print dress. It just has all these different patterns on it. It has these little fluttery ruffle sleeves, and it ties in the back so it's adjustable. But I think it is like a midi or maxi length dress, and then it has a ruffle at the bottom. It's kind of hard to show, but I can always leave a screenshot here to let you see what it looks like. And then I'll also insert a clip of me wearing it too. But it's super cute, and this is the one thing that I was really excited for because I would like to get something like this to take family pictures in. The next item is a style shirt that I'm not a big fan of. It's a floral, off the shoulder, like cold shoulder top. It's got the spaghetti strap sleeves, and the sleeves go off the shoulder. It has the trumpet sleeve, I think is what it's called, and I do like the trumpet sleeve. But I'm just not a big fan of this shirt, but it is by Kristin Carol, and I do really like that brand. It's a really soft brand and comfortable, but we'll try that on and see what it looks like. We'll just leave a clip here. Next up is a top that I'm kind of iffy on. I think it could be cuter on, but it's a really interesting top. It's like a little lower peplum style top, and then it has ruffle sleeves. There's a lot of ruffles in this box, but I really love the color scheme. I think it's perfect for spring with the pale yellow and the light sage. I think that is really, really pretty for spring. It would look so cute with white denim. And I think this top could be cute on. I just wasn't a fan of it just by the picture. The next is probably one of my least favorite tops in here, and it is by Crescent. And it is a size small. It's this navy blue floral top, but again, it's off the shoulder, and I just don't like that style of top, especially with chasing around kids all the time. But it does cinch in here at the wrist, and then it kind of flares off at the end. I think that they are full-length sleeves. It might be 3/4 length. I won't know until I try it on. But it just has like a tiered ruffle, and then it also has a little rope tie detail in the front. So this looks like it could be like almost cropped, but it might come right to the hem of your jeans. I'm not entirely sure. And last is something that I was interested in, but seeing it in person, it looks really big to me. It says it's a size small, I think. Well, I honestly don't know. There's no tag, but it looks really big. If this is supposed to be a small or medium, it looks really big. But it is just a leopard print skirt. It looks kind of thin. Then it has a little tie detail for the little belt to kind of hide the zipper, which is really nice. But I think this will fit like a circle skirt, or might be a little bit tighter, but it is really cute. So we're gonna go over prices and what I'm gonna keep now. So I'm just gonna go off their list right here instead of the way I tried everything on. So the first thing is this from Paper Moon. It's their off-shoulder navy top, and it is a size small that I tried on. I really liked the fabric of this. I'm just not a fan of off-the-shoulder tops, so I'm gonna be sending it back, but it is $28. So next up on the list is the dress that I was really looking forward to. So this is the Kristin Carol Midi knit print short sleeve dress, and this was in extra small. Oh, I have it backwards, sorry. But this is $46, and I think that this might be something I keep because I really liked it on. I thought it was really flattering and really cute. I really like midi dresses on me. I'm just shorter, so I feel like they look really flattering. So I will be keeping this with my credit. It'll be around $30. And then next is the Mido Shop Leopard Mini Flare dress, or skirt, not dress. This was really cute on, but it was a little bit big, and this is a size small medium, so maybe I need an extra small, which is not normal for me. But I thought this was really cute, but it did seem a little young for me, so I am going to send it back. But I do love leopard print, but this was just not necessarily my style. But this is $43, so it is a pricey skirt. And then we have this Kristin Carol top, which is the Lucy off-the-shoulder floral top. I thought the fabric was really nice and comfortable. It's just not my style. I don't really like off-the-shoulder tops, so I think I need to put that in my style notes. But this is a size small, and it is $38. Next up is this top from Real Wally. It's the Bloom Sage Stripe Design Ruffle Hem Blouse in a size small. This was actually pretty cute on. I just don't think that I'd wear it enough to justify buying it, but it is $39. So if I kept everything in my box, it would be $194, and then minus the 30% discount for keeping all of them, it would be $135.80. But right now, I am just going to keep that midi dress and send everything else back. But I forgot to mention, one thing I do like about Fashom more than any other styling subscription is that if you only keep 3 items, you get 25% off. And then you get 30% off if you keep all 5. So I think their referral program and their discount for like the styling fee and keeping items is a lot better than any other service that I use. So I'll leave my link down below if you want to try Fashom, as well as on my social media links. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.